This 2025 Grand Design Transcend 295 QBT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Reno, Nevada, 89511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Reno. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.